Damn it. So we're working on that today. Yep. God damn. All right. So we got Jerry's car in here today, and we swapping out the axle back. So it's already got, what headers you got on there?
Stainless work. So
stainless work headers, Corsa mid pipe, and then now he's doing Corsa extreme mufflers. So it's gonna be loud, bro. Wait till y'all hear this. All right, so got the car in the air. I think what he's wanting to do is get these out and let the diffuser just hang so that we can get to the axle backs. We gotta take these out. And it's got active exhaust, so once we get these down, I don't know if you guys can see it really, but basically you just swap the modem over and put it on there. So, simple. Got that thing down.
Damn, bro, I feel like American Muscle right now.
Now it's time. Now it's time to swap the active exhaust modem onto the Corsa, and then take those mufflers off, of course. And then he gonna be a stupid loud boy. So as you can see, we got the active exhaust modem swapped over, and now Jerry's just making sure that he's just seeing if he's got to have the valves open or closed whenever he first puts the exhaust in. It's a certain way you're supposed to do it, but whenever you put it in and you change the mode you want it in, the car should do what it needs to do, but rather be safe than sorry, even though it's an easy install. But yeah, hopefully the next clip will be before. I don't have too many before. I think I deleted it. But if you go on my YouTube page, which you well, if you go to my shorts, because this is the YouTube page, if you go to my shorts, there's a clip of this car with the stock mufflers, same setup, but stock mufflers, and it's some pretty good rev action. So that should be a good before. I'll see if I got a couple videos of him doing a pull or something that I can insert. And then I'll do the after with the Corsa axle backs. So stay tuned. Got one side in, one more to go. First start up with the Corsa Extremes. I think it's gonna start with the valves closed, but you'll know the difference. They're closed? Damn. Oh, golly. That is loud, bro. Dude, I thought you revved it. All right. So these gonna close the valves and then rev it. That's crazy.
It's pretty loud. Close.
It sounds like the stock muffler's closed. All right, this is open. Let me come. Oh! Golly, bro.
Bro, that was only 2,000.
Oh, no. No. Man. About to get some rolling shots. That sounds phenomenal. That thing is obnoxious, dude. My goodness. I don't know where he's at, but you can hear him. He is hauling ass. There he is. Yeah. It sounds so good, dude. There she is. So, we about to get on the highway. I'm gonna get in my car and I'm gonna get some good pulls for y'all, and then after that, that'll be the end of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it out right here, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Stay tuned for more bangers always, and like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell, all that. Love y'all. Be safe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I can't hit them turns like that. I got skinnies on.